Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to comment a photo on TikTok. First thing that you should do is to simply go and open TikTok on your phone. Once you find the video that you want to comment on, simply click on the comment icon on the right side. Then here you should find at the bottom right side, you can get this picture icon. Simply click on it. And now I will send this photo, for example. So here I have it. Simply click on this pink or red button on the bottom right side. And now I have commented with a photo. Now, if you still cannot find this option or you cannot actually do that, simply go click on your profile, click on these three horizontal lines on the top right side, go and click on settings and privacy, scroll down, click on report a problem, scroll down more, click on chat with us, and he tell TikTok support that you have the problem of not being able to comment with a photo on TikTok. If you still have this problem, you can simply go and open Play Store. So in my case, I'll open Play Store just like so and search for TikTok. Once you search for it, here you can see, do you have an update? Simply update the application, then go back, try to restart your phone, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.